I'm outside and I'm ready for the storm. Tropical storm Basyang. Yeah, get out of my way, Yuki. Wait. Clearly see it's dark. You can clearly see that there's. You can clearly see there's no wind. There's no rain. It's just silence. Means the sky is still okay. And the stars here, but you can't see it because it's transparent. Oh, you guys can see it? Okay, you think you guys can see it? I'm ready for tropical storm Basyang. Make landfall on like tomorrow afternoon or something, I don't know. And it is expected to make heavy rainfall here in Misamis Oriental, so I'm not ready. Might be a chance I am now inside the eye of tropical storm Basyang. And I'm not sure if it has the same international name called Malakas or whatever. The moon isn't here, it's just a star. See, it's just total silence. Total silence. The wind gust earlier though seems very tough. It just blew away the leaves when I was at school. There's my dog. Oh guys, I'm now ready. Tropical storm Basyang is about to go crazy. As I expected. Cannot sleep because if I sleep I might instantly wake up and now I can hear the rain. But first I'll be right back. As you can see here, I'm using my mom's iPhone. Class suspensions. What's wrong with my camera? It's getting blurry. Okay, here. This class suspension tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wait for the announcement of my teacher, I guess. All of my classmates are getting excited because there's no class tomorrow. Here and here we have tropical depression Basyang. And yes, so I heard you guys have experienced Odette before, just